Recently, as most of us know that Windows 10 support has been officially ended after its service for a decade. While reading that article, a thing came into my mind. We, all who were born in the late 90s and in the early 2000s, have a great memory with Windows XP. But today's machines are overkill for Windows XP in my opinion. So I tried to test it in my system, and of course with the VirtualBox. I found Windows XP Service Pack 3 ISO file and decided to download it. If you need it, then let me know in my Discord server. Anyways, let's start by installing the VirtualBox. After installing it in my PC, I tended to create a new virtual machine. I allotted 20 GB of space and 2 GB of RAM. Then I installed it. The installation part was pretty simple and easy. After that, it detected the exact date of me recording this video. Here you can see the system information. But I faced a problem regarding the aspect ratio and I didn't care. And started to play Pinball 3D. That's all from me. Make sure you like, comment, and of course subscribe to see more weird tech contents.